Hi guys, this is Fazle, founder of Healthy Limit. Let's see how we can set up the MI band. First, download the MI app from the Google Play Store. Once you open it, it'll ask you to sign up. Select the language, click next. Agree to this one. And here I would recommend that you select a Google login because we will be using the same login in Google Fit, and MI does not share their APIs directly with a third party. They share it through Google Fit, so we will have to use Google Fit to connect MI data to Healthy Limit. So please select a Google login here. Right, now please enter all this information, select the appropriate goal for yourself, and you're done with this. Now let's see how to connect the hardware via Bluetooth. So select band, say OK, got it, a lot of permissions, and now wait for your band to vibrate. Just touch the band once and you're done. It's paired successfully, and now you can see that MI band will start tracking your activity. In the next video, we will cover how to take that activity data into Google Fit and then into Healthy Limit. Thank you.